बाद जिस दिन को स्वागत करना चाहिए, राष्ट्रपति जी का समय बदला के क्यों छुट्टी करवा दिया? जो एनडीए के साथी स्वागत करना चाहते हैं वो आगे आ सकते हैं, और बाकी भी जो फिर पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता भी स्वागत करना चाहते हैं वो आगे आ सकते हैं.
Picture.
एनडीए के वरिष्ठ नेता.
Okay, so that's a picture of Tirupati Balaji being presented to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, both by Chandrababu Naidu and by Pawan Kalyan. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi described Pawan Kalyan not as Pavan but Andhi.
A storm, not a breeze but a storm. Well, Pawan Kalyan has managed 2 Lok Sabha seats in the state of Andhra Pradesh. His community has overwhelmingly voted for the TDP, BJP and Jan Sena partnership, and it appears that's the strongest alliance partner within the NDA. And as soon as Prime Minister Modi finishes his speech, it's Chandrababu Naidu and Pawan Kalyan who come in first, give him, in fact, confer him with Tirupati Balaji's frame and greet him with that kind of respect and honor. Very clearly shows the way the alliance partners here have come together. They're going to remain strong, and it appears they have a vision for the next 5 years, Gaurav.
Well, the Prime Minister said the vision for the next 10 years. And he said, mark my words very carefully. I say this with responsibility. Vision for the next 10 years. And something that Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar also spoke of. So all those who said that Nitish Kumar may go the other side, may flip, he's Palturam and so on, and that he, the doors of India Alliance are open for him. Very, very crucial, the words that have come both from Chandrababu Naidu and from Nitish Kumar, from Pawan Kalyan and all the alliance partners. Take a look at all the leaders who spoke, the words of Chirag Paswan, the words of all the other leaders, and they've been quite remarkable as far as the NDA is concerned for the next 5 years at least.
Surely, and Nitish Kumar really, while complimenting Prime Minister Modi, also in a way took a jibe at the opposition, saying whoever has won their seats in different parts of the country here and there will not be able to win the next time around. When you come back, Prime Minister Modi, they're all, the next term, basically indicating Modi 4.0, they're all going to have a bad, embarrassing defeat. So Nitish Kumar not just is supporting the NDA and Prime Minister Modi this time around, he seems like at least he's going to be committing to an alliance with the BJP for the long haul.
So there are multiple takeaways from what the Prime Minister just said and what the other leaders said at this crucial meeting of the NDA, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been elected as the leader of the BJP in the House, leader of NDA, and of course, of the alliance. Now, what is it that comes out of it? The Prime Minister has a very strong vision of what he intends to do over the course of the next 5 years when he talks about in his vision for a Vikasit Bharat, his vision for a developed India, the roadmap that's ready and the road that he intends to take. He's attacked the opposition. He's attacked the Congress party specifically. The big point that the Prime Minister is making, that immediately after elections, that effort that was made to indicate that the BJP has lost, he says that's not true. If you look at the NDA, it was in power from 2014 to 19, 19 to 24, and the NDA has returned to power. So it's 3 victories in a row for the National Democratic Alliance and for the Congress Party. If you look at the numbers in 2014, 2019 and 2024, all those numbers of the Congress Party don't add up to the numbers of the BJP in 2024 alone, Nabila.
Well, and that's why you give credit to the Prime Minister. From what I see here, he's really found a new abbreviation to the acronym NDA, and I like to read that out. He says NDA is equal to New India, Developed India, Aspirational India. And this is what Prime Minister is known for, to give those really catchy phrases, and he's found a new meaning for NDA. I repeat, New India, Developed India, Aspirational India. Never have we seen before alliance partners coming together. Well, yes, there has to be a lot of those demands that need to be ironed out as yet. Let's be sure none of that has been discussed or confirmed yet. But what we see here, a unanimous resolution that all the alliance partners have come together and passed, asking for Prime Minister Modi to be leading the NDA coalition, that he's going to be the head of the NDA parliamentary party. So that's a unanimous consensus coming in from all the allies even before the demands have been agreed upon, which means All of them now are committed to ensuring that the alliance is strong, and in just a few hours, it's likely that they're going to be staking claim to form the government as well. I'm going to cut across to Prime Minister Modi in this very spirited speech he gave right after he was unanimously voted by all the alliance partners to lead the party forward.
जब 4 जून के नतीजे चल रहे थे, मैं तो अपने काम में कुछ व्यस्त था। बाद में फोन आना शुरू हो गए, तो मैंने किसी को पूछा, यार ये तो ठीक है आंकड़े वांकड़े, तो मुझे ये बताओ कि ईवीएम जिंदा है कि मर गया? क्योंकि ये लोग तय करके बैठे थे कि भारत के लोकतंत्र और लोकतंत्र की प्रक्रिया के प्रति विश्वास ही लोगों का उठ जाए, और लगातार ईवीएम को गाली देना। और मुझे तो लगता था कि शायद इस बार वो ईवीएम की अर्थी का जुलूस निकालेंगे, लेकिन 4 जून शाम आते आते उनको ताले लग गए, ईवीएम ने उनको चुप कर दिया। ये ताकत है भारत के लोकतंत्र की, ये ताकत है भारत की निष्पक्षता की, ये भारत की ताकत है भारत के चुनावी तंत्र की, चुनाव आयोग की। और मैं मानता हूं कि ये आशा करता हूं कि 5 साल तो अब ईवीएम शायद मुझे नहीं सुनाई देगा, लेकिन जब 29 में हम जाएंगे तो फिर से शायद ईवीएम को लेकर के नाचने की शुरुआत करेंगे, क्योंकि इनके सुधरने की संभावनाएं बहुत कम है। साथियों, इस देश के लिए ये भी चिंता का विषय है कि विश्व में भारत के लोकतंत्र की ताकत को कम आंकने का प्रयास, और कितना एक्सट्रीम है। मैं दुनिया में ढोल पीट रहा हूं कि हम मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी है, और ये दुनिया में जाकर के बता रहे नहीं हमारे देश में तो डेमोक्रेसी जैसा कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि वो मोदी बैठ गया है, वो एक चाय बेचने वाला यहां पहुंच कैसे गया, कुछ तो गड़बड़ की होगी। ये जो इनकी मनस्थिति है जी, भारत के नागरिकों को चुनाव प्रक्रिया के प्रति अविश्वास पैदा करने का जो उनका षड्यंत्र है, मैं मानता हूं कि अब दुनिया भी भारत के लोकतंत्र की विविधता, विशालता, व्यापकता, गहनता, इन सबको भी जानने समझने के लिए आकर्षित होगी। ऐसे इस चुनाव के नतीजे में देख रहा हूं। राजनीति के विश्लेषक अगर विश्लेषण करेंगे तो देखेंगे कि एनडीए का जो लोग दिखते हैं ना, उसमें एक कॉमन चीज नजर आती है, और वो है गुड गवर्नेंस। एनडीए कहते ही गुड गवर्नेंस ये अपने आप पर्यायवाची बन जाता है। एनडीए सरकार में हम अगले 10 साल में, मैं बहुत जिम्मेवारी के साथ कह रहा हूं, अगले 10 साल में गुड गवर्नेंस, विकास, नागरिकों के जीवन में क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, और मेरा व्यक्तिगत रूप से एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम है, मैं लोकतंत्र की समृद्धि को जब सोचता हूं तो मैं चाहता हूं कि सामान्य मानवीय के जीवन में से, और खास करके मध्यम वर्ग, उच्च मध्यम वर्ग, उनके जीवन में से सरकार की दखल जितनी कम हो उतनी लोकतंत्र की मजबूती है। देश ने एनडीए के गरीब कल्याण के, गुड गवर्नेंस के 10 साल को देखा है। इतना नहीं, मैं कह सकता हूं देश ने इसे जिया है। जनता जनार्दन ने सरकार क्या होती है, सरकार क्यों होती है, सरकार किसके लिए होती है, सरकार कैसे काम करती है, इसको पहली बार अनुभव किया है। वरना जनता और सरकारों के बीच में एक खाई की व्यवस्था ही बनी हुई थी। हमने उसको पाट दिया है। हमने सबका प्रयास का मंत्र देश को नई ऊंचाई पर ले जाने के लिए चरितार्थ करके देखा है।
And then we saw the two crucial allies, the NDA's TDP, Chandrababu Naidu, and JDU chief Nitish Kumar, who made some powerful statements in support of Prime Minister Modi, heaping praises on the Prime Minister, emphasizing the unity and strength of their coalition. Chandrababu Naidu extensively congratulated Modi and his relentless efforts for 3 months non-stop that he went campaigning, claiming that the actual result in Andhra Pradesh was thanks to Modi's relentless campaign that they've now borne fruit. Have a listen.
आप जान लीजिए कि कुछ लोग, हम लोगों को तो अब लगता है कि अगली बार जो आप आइएगा ना, तो इस बार हम देखें कि कुछ इधर उधर कुछ जीत गया है, अगली बार सब हारेगा, हमको पूरा भरोसा। ये सब बिना मतलब का बात बोल बोल करके क्या किया है? ये सब कोई काम किया है? उन लोगों ने आज तक कोई काम नहीं किया, देश की कोई सेवा नहीं की। लेकिन आपने इतनी सेवा की है और उसके बाद इस तरह से हुआ है, तब इस बार फिर जो मौका मिला है, तो इस मौका के बाद आगे अब उन लोगों के लिए कोई गुंजाइश नहीं रहेगा, वो सब खत्म हो जाएगा। बहुत अच्छा रहेगा अब इस बार हम लोगों का, इससे बड़ी खुशी होगी और पूरे देश में इसका बहुत ज्यादा फायदा है। इधर उधर कोई करना चाहता है, उसको कोई लाभ नहीं है। तो इसीलिए मैं आपका अभिनंदन करता हूं और आपके नेतृत्व में सब लोग काम करेंगे, सब लोग चलेंगे इन्हीं सब लोग के साथ। और आप सब लोग इतना खुशी हैं, सब पार्टी के लोग, मैं उनका भी अभिनंदन करता हूं और यही कहूंगा कि हम सब लोग इनके साथ रहेंगे और एक साथ होकर के जो कुछ भी करेंगे, इनकी बात को मानते हुए हम लोग आगे चलेंगे। अब बिहार का भी तो सब काम हो ही जाएगा, जो कुछ भी बचा हुआ है उसको ही कर देंगे। सबसे पुराना इलाका है, तो इसीलिए हम लोग तो पूरे तौर पर हर तरह से जो आप चाहिएगा उस काम के लिए हम लोग लगे रहेंगे और बहुत अच्छा होगा। अब जितने लोग साथ हुए हैं अब बहुत अच्छा है और सब लोग बहुत अच्छे ढंग से अपनी बात कर रहे हैं, तो सब लोग ठीक हैं। हम मिल करके सब लोग चलेंगे और हम लोग पूरा आपके साथ रहेंगे और आप पूरे देश को कितना आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ये बहुत खुशी की बात होगी। यही हम लोगों को कहना है।
Narendra Modi ji is having a vision and also is having a zeal and also his execution is very perfect and also he is executing all his policies with a true spirit. Always to have a leader. Right time is a great asset for the nation. Today, India is having a right leader, right time. That is Narendra Modi. This is a very good opportunity for India. If we miss now, we will miss forever. Here today, we stand at a crucial juncture in our nation's history. NDA government, under the visionary leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji, has taken significant initiatives in the last 10 years. The country has witnessed remarkable progress and transformation. Narendra Modi ji focused and dedicated approach has transformed the nation into a global powerhouse.
I am in the politics for the last 4 decades. I have seen so many leaders. I can give entire credit for Narendra Modi ji for making India proud globally. That is his biggest achievement for the country. I have seen for the election campaign, for the 3 months, Honorable PM never took any rest. Day and night, he had campaigned, same zeal. He started and ended same spirit. In Andhra Pradesh, we had 3 meetings, public meetings, 1 big rally. It had made a huge difference for winning the elections in Andhra Pradesh.
What we see there was very interesting. At the NDA MPs meeting, we saw an order with which the leaders were seated. Right next to Prime Minister Modi was Chandrababu Naidu of the TDP with the highest numbers that he's brought into the NDA alliance. And then you saw Nitish Kumar, then you saw Eknath Shinde, then you saw Chirag Paswan. A very interesting placement, if Gaurav also could chime in on this. Gaurav, we saw the power hierarchy really out on full display at this NDA MPs meet. But what was unanimous amongst them was all of them appreciating Prime Minister Modi for his efforts and really endorsing this third term. It's not viewed as a loss by no means. It's only looked at as a historic third win for the Modi government, considering anti-incumbency, 10 years of leadership. It's quite hard for a government to come back with these numbers. Let me cut across to Poulomi Saha. She is speaking with Pawan Kalyan of the Jan Sena. Let's listen in.
Jan Sena Chief, Mr. Pawan Kalyan, sir. Sir, how do you, of course, see this moment? It's a historic moment. The NDA is all set to form government again, sir.
I'm glad we've been looking forward for it and finally it happened. I'm glad it happened.
And being a part of the government, sir, are you looking forward to being a part of the union government as well, sir?
We're going to explore that possibility.
You will explore that possibility?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking. That was Pawan Kalyan speaking exclusively to India Today. Joining.
All right. So, Pawan Kalyan, as called by Prime Minister Modi, is not a breeze but a storm. Pawan nahi hai, ye aandhi hai. Well, we know that Pawan Kalyan has brought a sizable number for the NDA alliance. More importantly, in the assembly elections. For Lok Sabha, he's managed to win 2 seats, but in the assembly elections, he's really managed to bring the Kapu community together, which predominantly voted for YS Jagan Mohan Reddy. So this arithmetic, Gaurav, has worked very well in the favor of Chandrababu Naidu and subsequently even for the Modi government.
So, what did Prime Minister Narendra Modi say? He says it's a big win as far as the NDA alliance and the Bharatiya Janata Party are concerned in the southern part of the country. He specifically spoke of the successes that they've had, whether it's in Andhra Pradesh, where there's an NDA government, and you know better, Pawan Kalyan played a very critical role in stitching this alliance together, keeping it together. Also the fact that in Kerala, Suresh Gopi won in Thrissur, something that many thought was virtually impossible. And Prime Minister credited the Karyakartas and the sacrifice of Karyakartas. More sacrifices made in Kerala than made in Kashmir for this victory. Also,
right.
Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, the big gains.
We have Poulomi, Gaurav, stay with us. Poulomi has spoken to Eknath Shinde, another alliance partner who's brought in the numbers for the NDA. Let's cut across.
लेकिन सर जब विपक्ष लगातार ये कह रहा था कि मुमकिन है कि आने वाले दिनों में चीजें बदल जाएं।
ये मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने हैं
जी,
वो सपने देखते रहेंगे और मोदी जी काम करते रहेंगे, देश को विकास की ओर लेके जाते रहेंगे, देश को महासत्ता की ओर लेके 5 साल में बहुत ही देश की तरक्की करेंगे।
लेकिन सर जब विपक्ष लगातार ये कह रहा था कि मुमकिन है कि आने वाले दिनों में चीजें बदल जाएं।
ये मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने हैं
जी,
वो सपने देखते रहेंगे और मोदी जी काम करते रहेंगे, देश को विकास की ओर लेके जाते रहेंगे, देश को महासत्ता की ओर।
All right, that's Eknath Shinde there, trying to dispel all the doubts about a government change or maybe that the NDA can't come to power if some of the allies pull away. He says these kind of dreams the opposition can continue to have.